Hola niños, hola niñas, hi boys, hi girls. Are you guys ready for today's second Spanish lesson? You are? Great, me too. Today I will be teaching you about words for animals, animales. Animals, animales. So today's first Spanish word is dog. Perro, perro, dog. Did you get it? Perro, dog. Good job, guys. Okay, today's second Spanish word is cat. Gato. Gato. Cat. Gato. The next Spanish word is penguin. Pingüino. Pingüino. Penguin. Pingüino. Great job, guys. You guys are doing so good. We are learning so many words, guys. Okay, the next Spanish word is rooster. Gallo. Or you could say gallina. Gallo or gallina. The next word is elephant. Elefante. Elefante. Elephant. The next word is duck. Pato. Pato. Duck. Don't stop, you guys. You guys are doing such a good job. The next Spanish word is goat. Chivo. Chivo. Goat. Chivo. The next word is bear. Oso. Oso. Bear. Oso. The next word is camel. Camello. Camello. Camel. Camello. Make sure you save this video, guys, so you can come back and study every day, okay? Don't forget to study. The next Spanish word is donkey. Burro. Burro. Donkey. Burro. The next word is rabbit. Conejo. Conejo. Rabbit. Conejo. I'm so proud of you guys. You guys are doing such a great job. The next word is zebra. 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 The next animal word is deer. Ciervo. Ciervo. Deer. Ciervo. The next word is horse. Caballo. Caballo. Horse. Caballo. We're almost done, guys. The next Spanish word is cow. Vaca. Vaca. Cow. The next word is giraffe. Jirafa. Jirafa. Giraffe. Jirafa. We got 4 words left, guys. The next Spanish word is lion. León. León. Lion. León. The next word is pig. Puerco. Puerco. You can also say cerdo. Cerdo. Pig. We got 2 words left, you guys. Good job. The next word is fish. Pescado. Pescado. Fish. Pescado. And the last word is gorilla. 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 Give you guys a round of applause. You did it, you guys. You got all 20 Spanish words done. Now I want you guys to come back every day and study and keep repeating the video over and over until you remember it, okay? Comment down below and tell me when you have them all memorized. I'll be so proud of you, you guys. Make sure you guys follow and subscribe so you can keep learning Spanish with Rachel, okay? I'll see you guys later in my next video. Hasta luego!